Hey, what's going on? Judd Burdon here from Asphalt Kingdom. Thank you for tuning in. I had to pull over on the side of the road right here to drop some bombs. I got to get this information out of here over to you guys because I really care about you guys growing the hell out of your business. And this right here can impact your business by hundreds of thousands of dollars per year in renewable business if it's worked the right way. So what I want to do is I want to, as part of the sales process, I want to work through the emotional roller coaster. I want to identify what the problem is and what the solution is through that process. So let's hypothetically say that we're sitting in front of somebody who owns a property and they are responsible for the decisions for determining if they're going to maintain their parking lot and use your services. So what you would say is something along the lines of, yes, Joe, we all know that having a parking lot that's safe is really important, right? And we also know that protecting the parking lot is really important so that you can ultimately save money, keep it protected, right? And we also want it to look really great. We want to enhance the curb appeal, right? And yeah, for sure. The problem is that you don't really know, and people in your shoes don't really know how to do that all the right way, because you don't have the experience or knowledge with that. So keeping a parking lot looking great and keeping a parking lot safe and keeping a parking lot maintained is not always easy. But the good news is that I'm here now and we have the experience, the knowledge, the professional quality tools, equipment, and materials to be able to do this the right way. And best of all, we're going to do a pavement assessment so that we know where the failure points are right now. We know where your parking lot asset is right now in its lifespan. And what we're going to do is build out a 10-year budget plan that's going to allow you to understand what you need to budget right now from a reactive perspective to get it up to snuff, what you're going to need to allocate in year 3, year 5, year 7, and year 10. So you're going to have basically this crystal ball that we're going to give you so that you know what you need to do over the next 10 years. So with 22 years of experience, and now we're out of the role play, but with 22 years of experience, we developed a 10-year pavement maintenance plan, a budget plan template that you can get access to if you'd like to be able to earn this renewable business, and literally it will impact you hundreds of thousands of dollars if this is worked the right way. In other words, don't just provide a quote to somebody, provide a quote and a 10-year plan. You need to be a lighthouse for your customers. You need to wow and differentiate and not just be another person out there that's delivering an estimate. Hey, here's your estimate. Hope hope that helps, and just be another average delivery of an estimate. You don't want to be just another average company. Differentiate. That 10-year budget plan, that pavement budget plan, I'm telling you, differentiates, because now the property owner and facility manager, they know what they need to do over the next 10 years. If you'd like to get access to the 10-year pavement budget plan, just type in the comments down below, Asphalt Plan. Asphalt Plan. Type that in the comments below and we'll give you the link. You can go through that link and then you'll be able to purchase that template right through our website, and it will definitely help you win. We've used it, it's winning. We've got literally clients that are using it right now and they are winning with it non-stop. Again, be that lighthouse, be that, create that crystal ball that your customers need in order to understand what they need to do for years to come to protect their pavement assets. Hope this helps. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that subscribe button. Click that ringy bell notification so that you're notified every time we push out content. We hope that you win this season, and thank you for tuning in. We appreciate you.